Sometimes you're writing a lot of notes inside of a Google Sheet cell and you don't want to rely on the wrap, meaning this text can go on and on and on, but you can also say, and we need more information, and this wrap needs to be different. We need to change the text wrapping to wrap, but maybe we don't want to rely just on that. We want to actually put a new line inside of a cell. Now, wherever you want to put the new line, like right after the word drive, put your cursor there and then hit Command Enter. And now everything to the right of your cursor is going to be on the new line. If we want to do that again, we can go to the end of the line here, hit Command Enter, and write more information here. Isn't that cool? When we hit Enter alone and put in the information, you'll see that the entire row is actually increased in size. So you may want to do things like center the row differently, and you can apply that to every single cell so that when we do this, and also rewrite it in transcript. See, so now everything is nicely aligned when we enter that new line. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.